When I say business presentation, what's the first thing you feel? If you feel frustration, fear, intimidation, or any negative emotion, you're in the right place. So this course is designed for non-native English speakers who are intermediate or advanced. This course will help you elevate your skills. It'll help you present concisely, effectively, and confidently. And the best part is under an hour. So I've designed a really concise course that will take you through the presentation process. So my goal is that you can use this course anytime you're preparing a presentation. It's going to take you through the different sections and making sure that you're thinking the right thing to make sure that your presentation reaches the right audience. In addition to tips and guidance, I'm also going to give you lists of verbs, adjectives, expressions, things that you can use to add word variety. So if you know that you're good at giving presentations, or maybe like so-so at giving presentations, but one of your weaknesses is you're kind of stuck in using the same 5 words for everything, in this course, I'm going to share lots of new terms that you can use to help you convey your message in a fresh and engaging way. Now, giving presentations is one of the forms of public speaking that a lot of people get nervous about, but I'm going to help you understand how to address your stress and anxiety, in addition to giving you the tools for saying the right words, because as we know, it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. I'm going to teach you how to practice, I'm going to teach you how to prepare, I'm going to teach you what you can do to help yourself, because no matter what, you're going to feel a little nervous the day of. And I have some tips and tools to help you deal with that. And because I know that a presentation is not just about you, the audience plays a role, I have 2 bonuses for you. I have 2 lists of expressions. One is on how to get your presentation back on track when your audience gets distracted. Maybe the conversation or the questions take you away from the main point, the main topic of your presentation. So I'm going to give you the tools to guide your audience back. And the second list is going to provide you some sentences, some guidance on how to deal with questions after the presentation or during. Not only do you need to know how to answer the question professionally, but the main tips there are how to avoid answering questions. Maybe you don't have the information in the moment, or maybe you're not allowed to answer that particular question. So I have some sentences that you can use so that you can respond or deflect your response professionally. So if you have a presentation that you're preparing, don't delay anymore. Get the course now and let's go through it together to make sure that your presentation is the best it can be.